It's the most wonderful time of the year, right? But as we all well know, it can sometimes get a bit stressful too. Trying to find that perfect gift, planning a menu to please everyone, parties to go to, but with a little preparation and a few helpful hacks, the holidays can be what they're supposed to be. A joyous time spent with family and friends. Food Network veteran Claire Robinson, she's here. She joins us today to show how we can all keep our sanity as the busiest time of the year gets underway. And we hear she's got a new show. Claire, welcome and thank you for joining us. Now, when it comes to prepping for the holidays, what is the top tip you can recommend and give us to make sure that it's going to be fun and joyous?
Well, first of all, thank you so much for having me. My top tip is actually based around the appliance because I like to think about, one, what do I want on my wish list? It's the holiday season, you know, it's coming. I want to start thinking about maybe what I want to ask for. But I like to think about my kitchen and planning and prep for this entertaining season by thinking about what will do the most for me. And appliances certainly can do that if you choose the right ones. The Samsung Family Hub is so cool. This thing, I can select my favorite recipe. I can preheat my Samsung oven from the Samsung Family Hub. This is a refrigerator, by the way. I can see inside of my refrigerator while I'm at the grocery store, so I know exactly what I need for ingredients, as well as manage my family's calendar, my own calendar. I mean, it's like the smartest thing in my house, which is really cool. And they've got incredible deals running for the entire month of November. You can check that out at Samsung.com. But from my one top tip of just the appliance, it's actually what's in the appliance. Because when you think about what you are going to stock for the holiday season and all the entertaining you're going to do, that's what's going to make this season much easier for you. I think about my freezer. First of all, not many people have a lot of room in their freezer. You are stocking things. Stock things that are going to do something for you that you can use, that are versatile, that you can use in numerous ways. Farm Rich Homestyle meatballs, these little guys, I can turn into an hors d'oeuvre. I can turn them into dinner. I can add them into a soup and make it heartier. Quick pasta and meatballs, of course, Wednesday night supper. But the pomegranate glazed meatballs, that gives me a wow hors d'oeuvre, all from the freezer and all from one ingredient. Go to farmrich.com to check out some recipes that they have. You can find them in the freezer section of the grocery store, very easy. They also have mozzarella bites, some other things. Another item that I keep in my refrigerator now, we're moving from the freezer to the fridge, this is so great. I have people coming in and saying, "Hey Claire, thanks for making me dinner. Oh, by the way, I'm dairy free." And I'm like, what? So I've started to plan for that this year. That's more and more I'm finding dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, kosher, or somebody just saying that they are trying to follow a plant-based diet. I don't care what they're gonna throw at me, I've got them covered because I now am keeping Country Crock plant-based butter in my refrigerator and using only the Country Crock plant-based butter sticks as my butter when I'm baking. So you use it like a dairy butter. Upfield, who is the leader in plant-based butter spreads and margarines, they have this new innovative product that works like a dairy butter. You treat it 1-to-1 like a stick, so you can use it for baking, or you can, right out of the tub for spreading and have a wonderful answer to anything that will be thrown your way. The last thing, my last little tip, when you're leaving the kitchen covered in stains like I usually am, keep some extra Almighty packs on hand. You also might have people staying with you that would have other formula needs. So I actually stock up on a few different formulas throughout the holiday season. Check out all-laundry.com and you'll find the right Mighty pack for you.
Thanks, Claire. Great tips. Now I feel a little bit more ready.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.